Ruel C. Legitimus.
I, Ruel Legitimus,
having been duly elected to the position of
having been elected to the position of members of Sangguniang Bayan,
of the Municipality of Loon,
Province
Province of Bohol,
Municipality of Loon,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will and faithfully discharge
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability
the duties of my present position,
to the duties of my present position,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will be true faith and allegiance to the same,
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees of constitution
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the duties constituted authorities
of the Republic of the Philippines.
of the Republic of the Philippines,
That I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.